guys got to stick together. This is a, you got volume, brother? Full volume, full volume. If we're going to play this shit loud. That's right. Maybe not quite that loud. All right, this is which is probably the coolest song on this album, Bad Motor Scooter.
It's about a Vespa.
Take it, brother. Turbocharged.
Get it in gear. Come on!
Just remember I don't live too far. There's a red bridge on the way. You'll be in my place in less than a day.
That's a lesson.
So get on the bad motor scooter and ride. I'm over to my place to stay all night. You know that we're feeling alright. Oh, the last time I seen your face, saw that no one would take your place. Now since you've been gone, I've been feeling come on, you know, I'm afraid you're dead of all things. So get on your bed, on the scooter and ride. I'm over to my place to stay all night. Yeah. Get on your bed, on the scooter and ride. Ride. Get on your bed, on the scooter and ride. Ride. Come on, baby. Ooh, yeah. Bring it right on up. Oh!
It's gonna be 2013. Can you believe that?
All right, we're gonna take a little break, then we're gonna